This is the project of Module 15. In this project I built an agent that generates LinkedIn posts. Here we have imported all things that are needed in this project. After that we have given a prompt to the model, we have given the role, style of the post that it will generate. I have chosen a small model. I used Llama 3.2, 1 billion parameters model to make it run fast. I also added a typewriting functionality when it generates the output. Here are the languages in which it will make the posts. I took 3 languages, Bangla, English and Spanish. And I also added an array of topics it will make. Now the final lines of code. After that we will test the model by running it. Running command for this project. I have also shared a collab link for this project, go check it out. Now you can see that it has started generating an English post about AI in healthcare. Now let's wait for the model to generate a post. Wow, nice. Now we can see the model has started giving the output. Now after this post it will generate another post about remote work productivity in English. Then these 2 in Bangla and Spanish. The post is done and we can see it generated it in LinkedIn style. Now let's wait for another one. Nice. Now it is generating in Bengali. Let's wait. The Bengali text is a little messy because it is running in the terminal of an IDE, so the IDE does not recognize the text and makes it into symbols, but the model works fine. Now the model is generating another post in Bengali. It has done posting in Bengali and now started to do it in Spanish. Another one in Spanish. Nice, so we can see the project has successfully run and it works. The project was really fun to make, and those who are using powerful GPUs they can use more powerful and intelligent models. I have used a small model according to my desktop specs.